Hello everyone, this is third video of 8th chapter. In this video we'll discuss some more questions of entries related to realization account. Question number 6. Past journal entries in the following cases. Creditors worth rupees 85,000 accepted 40,000 as cash and investment worth rupees 43,000 in full settlement of their claim. So creditors को 85,000 पे करना था, जिसमें से 40,000 we have paid in cash एंड जो 45,000 रिमेनिंग रह गए उसके अगेंस्ट वो 43,000 की इन्वेस्टमेंट ले गए इन फुल सेटलमेंट. सो जिस एसेट के अगेंस्ट लाइबिलिटी की सेटलमेंट हो जाए देयर विल बी नो एंट्री फॉर दैट एंड द 40,000 दैट वी हैव पेड द एंट्री विल बी रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट 40,000. सिर्फ कैश पेमेंट की एंट्री होगी. इन्वेस्टमेंट के अगेंस्ट जो क्रेडिटर्स 45,000 के सेटल हो गए हैं उसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी. Next is creditors were rupees 16,000. They accepted machinery valued at 18,000 in settlement of their claim. So creditors 16,000 के थे और वो मशीनरी फुल सेटलमेंट में लेके चले गए हैं. There will be no entry क्योंकि एसेट के अगेंस्ट लाइबिलिटी जो है वो सेटल हो गई है तो इसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी. Creditors were rupees 90,000. They accepted building valued at 1,20,000 and paid cash to the firm 30,000. 90,000 देने थे, 120 की बिल्डिंग जो है वो लेके चले गए और 30,000 कैश पेमेंट कर दी. सो सिर्फ 30,000 के लिए एंट्री होगी एंड द एंट्री विल बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The firm of Manjeet, Sujit and Jagjit was dissolved on 31st March 2018. It was agreed that Sujit will take care of the dissolution related activities and will get 10% of the value of assets realized. So Sujit जो है वो dissolution की activity संभालेगा and for that he will get 10% of the value of asset realized. Sujit agreed to bear realization expenses. Assets realized rupees 10,750 and realization expenses were 90,000 which were paid from the firm's cash. तो एसेट्स का मिला 10,750 रुपीज़ और जो एक्सपेंसेस थे वो फर्म ने पे किए जबकि सुजीत की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी. रुपीज़ 4,50,000 वर पेड टू द क्रेडिटर्स इन फुल सेटलमेंट ऑफ देयर क्लेम. पास नेसेसरी जनरल एंट्रीज. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट रुपीज़ 10,750 जो एसेट का मिला. नेक्स्ट एंट्री रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सुजीत कैपिटल अकाउंट. 10% ऑफ द अमाउंट जो रियलाइज हुई एसेट पे वो सुजीत को देना था. इट वाज अग्रीड. नेक्स्ट एंट्री सुजीत कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. क्योंकि सुजीत की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी एक्सपेंसेस पे करने की लेकिन फर्म ने पे किए. सो सुजीत कैपिटल अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड एंड कैश और बैंक अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. लास्ट एंट्री फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ क्रेडिटर्स रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 4,50,000 रुपीज. Question number 10. Simar, Raja and Dita were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. The firm was dissolved on 31st March 2019. After the transfer of assets and external liabilities to the realization account, the following transactions took place. A debtor whose debt of rupees 90,000 had been written off as bad paid 88,000 in full settlement. So एक डेटर जिसे 90,000 लेने थे और उसको बैड डेब्ट्स राइट ऑफ कर दिया गया था. We have received 88,000 from that debtor. Entry will be bank or cash account debit to realization 88,000 rupees. Creditors to whom rupees 1,21,000 were due to be paid accepted stock at rupees 71,000 and the balance was paid to them by a check. So 121 में से 71 स्टॉक के अगेंस्ट सेटलमेंट हो गई. रेस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट के लिए हम जनरल एंट्री पास करेंगे एंड द एंट्री विल बी रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 50,000. Raja had given a loan to the firm of rupees 18,000. He was paid 17,000 in full settlement of his loan. So Raja is a partner. 18,000 का लोन था उसको पे किया 17,000 और 1,000 का प्रॉफिट हो गया. दैट विल बी क्रेडिटेड टू रियलाइजेशन एंड द जनरल एंट्री फॉर दिस विल बी Raja's loan account debit 18,000 to cash or bank account 17,000 to realization account 1,000. Next is investments were rupees 53,000, out of which investments worth rupees 43,000 were taken over by Simmer at 52,000. So 53 की इन्वेस्टमेंट में से 43 की इन्वेस्टमेंट सिमर ले गई. सिमर इज अ पार्टनर. 52,000 सिमर से लेने हैं एंड द बैलेंस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट वर सोल्ड फॉर 12,000. So first entry, Simmer's capital account debit to realization, and second entry, cash or bank account debit to realization. This is the combined entry. Simmer's capital debited by 52,000, cash debited by 12,000, and realization account is credited with 64,000 rupees. Expenses on dissolution amounted to rupees 19,000 and same were paid by the firm. Journal entry, realization account debit to cash or bank 19,000 rupees. Profit on dissolution 30,000. This profit will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So realization account debit to Simmer's capital, to Raja's capital, to Rita's capital. This is your question number 10th. Now question number 11th. Past journal entries to record the following unrecorded assets and liabilities in the books of Paras and Priya. There was an old furniture in the firm which had been written off completely in the books. This was sold for 3,000. It means we have received 3,000 rupees and the journal entry for that will be cash or bank account debit to realization 3,000. Ashish, an old customer whose account for rupees 1,000 was written off as bad in the previous year, paid 60% of the amount. It means we have received 60% of 1,000. Entry will be cash or bank account debit to realization 600. Paras agreed to take over firm's goodwill at valuation of 30,000. It means Paras से 30,000 लेने हैं. So Paras capital account debit to realization 30,000 rupees. There was an old typewriter which had been written off completely from the books. It was estimated to realize 400 and it was taken by Priya at an estimated price less 25%. 400 रुपये का टाइपराइटर था, राइट ऑफ किया जा चुका था. प्रिया ले गई 25% लेस देन कॉस्ट पे. इट मीन्स प्रिया से पैसे लेने हैं 300 रुपीज़. प्रियाज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट 300 रुपीज़. There were 100 shares of rupees 10 each in Star Limited acquired at a cost of 2,000 which had been written off completely from the books. These shares were valued at the rate 6 each and divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So partners से इन shares के पैसे लेंगे 100 into 6, 600 rupees. Profit sharing ratio is not given, so we'll consider it equal. Entry will be Paras capital account debit, Priya's capital account debit to realization account 600 rupees. This is your 11th question. Thank you.